Coming up tonight, Fiji elected to UN board. 2012 Coca Cola Games dedicated to Western students, and Ministerial Contact Group arrives for meeting. Good evening, I'm Mike Ranamalo. Fiji has been elected into the Executive Board of the United Nations Development Programme and the United Nations Population Fund. This was confirmed to Fiji News by United Nations Vice President and Fiji's Ambassador to the United Nations, Peter Thompson. Thompson says Fiji would be bringing a Pacific Island perspective to its membership of both UNDP and UNFPA. This is the first time that Fiji, as a Pacific Island nation, has been represented on the board. The Coca Cola Games 2012 has been dedicated to the students who were affected by the recent floods in the Western Division. In the closing ceremony yesterday, Coca Cola General Manager Andrew Priest acknowledged the efforts shown by students and also the organizers in making the event a success.
You are truly all great ambassadors of the sport and the country. Once again, we come to close the 2012 Games. Coca-Cola has been part of the Games for many years. This year's event was dedicated to the floods and the victims of those affected by it, as we believe this event to bring people together and our nation at times of joy and grief. Today has been a celebration for our nation as we witness nation building at its best and fine with our youngest athletes.
Despite the devastating floods, some schools from the Western Division also participated in the two-day national sport event and also gave a competitive edge to other competing schools in the Central Division, which have been dominating the game for the past years. In the boys division, Xavier College settled in third place with 3 gold, 4 silver and 3 bronze. And for the girls division, Jasper Williams High School from Lautoka also in third place with 4 gold, 8 silver and 3 bronze. After the game yesterday, all Western schools athletes and students returned home as they will resume classes for the first week of the scheduled school holidays. More than 6,000 students were affected during the recent floods in the Western Division.
Pacific Island Forum Ministerial Contact Group have started arriving ahead of their 2-day scheduled meeting with the Fijian government. In the last hour, Tuvalu's Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Willie Telavi arrived at the Nosori Airport. Later tonight, he will be joined by Papua New Guinea's Foreign Minister Ano Pala and Vanuatu's Foreign Minister Alfred Kalot. Australia's Foreign Minister Bob Carr, New Zealand's Murray Macaulay and Samoa's Prime Minister Tui Laepa Salele arrives in the country tomorrow. Coming up after the break, Bollywood production company films in Denarau. TFL National Stadium closes to undergo renovation, and empowering women.